Such an environment offers ideal conditions to many species of singing birds, which build their nests at the height up to several meters and gain food in the thicket of tangled branches and under the cover of leaves. The male blackbird has uniform black plumage and a contrasting intensely yellow-orange beak and rings around the eyes. The coloration of females is not so diverse. The natural place of life of blackbirds are forests and tree stands. From the beginning of the breeding season, these birds feed almost exclusively on animals, mainly